No, he's hesitant. Hurry up! Let him know! Hurry up!
Yes, over property. Taking pictures of employees, vehicles, and the property. They're not aware of who he is. They haven't approached him. He's wearing a hat, dark jacket, or sweatshirt. Appears to be a white male.
There we go.
Careful.
There it is. There's the call. Now we wait.
Honda jumps out, going on.
There they come. 2 units. One. It's not even a entrance. It's an exit. Now you're blocking the exit. Hey, you know that's an exit, right? It's an exit only.
Yeah, it's private property.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't.
We're gonna start doing this.
You probably shouldn't be on the exit.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah, I'm worried about you. Yeah,
How you doing today?
I'm all right. What's your name and badge number?
The video begins by highlighting 2 separate encounters that clearly demonstrate why knowing your rights is critical when dealing with law enforcement. From the opening moments, viewers are reminded that these situations often escalate not because of criminal behavior, but because officers misunderstand or ignore the law. The narrator emphasizes public awareness and accountability, urging viewers to engage and learn. As the scene shifts, officers are dispatched after reports of a man legally standing in a public area, exposing how innocent activity is frequently mischaracterized as suspicious.
I don't like your f***ing attitude already.
It's okay.
All right. I don't like your attitude already. You already parked like an asshole, dude.
So see the way that you're interacting with me? That brings my attitude.
Oh,
So,
it does?
Yeah.
Oh, your
you know that
attitude.
because you do this all the time.
I do?
Yeah.
You don't even know who I am.
Anyways. So
Anyway, what's your name,
badge?
badge number? I can't say it with the... How do you spell that? How do you say that?
There.
Zaire. Do you have a badge number?
Right here. 112.
I like that badge. It's nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to assume you don't want to produce any ID.
What do you think? Do I have to?
No, you don't have to.
All right. So why would you ask?
Lies. Thanks.
Why would you ask?
Because
you can?
Because I can.
Because you can.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because people,
See,
people, right, like me, know our fucking rights.
Right, but I have the same rights as you. So if I
No, right now you don't.
If I
No,
want to
yours
ask
are very limited.
ID number.
Yeah.
Your ID.
Yeah.
Your license.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah.
Okay. You said no.
Yeah. Good. All right. Bye. Stop blocking the entrance like an asshole.
I'll park there if I want.
Yeah, I know you will. And I'll do what I want.
My name's Jeff. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ari.
Right.
I'm one of the supervisors out here on this property.
Okay.
So the reason I'm here because we have numerous calls.
Oh.
Someone soliciting out here.
Okay.
Anything past that, you could go ahead, but this is ours.
Actually, this is the public right away. I'm gonna have to go ahead and disagree with you. I have just as much right here to be here as anybody else does.
Okay. Do you have a name?
My name is Jeff.
Officers arrive and immediately assert authority, attempting to control the individual's movements despite him standing on a public right-of-way. Rather than establishing reasonable suspicion, the interaction begins with attitude and assumptions. The man remains calm and assertive, questioning the officer's claims and refusing to provide identification when no legal requirement exists. This exchange highlights a common misconception among officers that authority alone grants power. The citizen's firm understanding of his rights prevents the situation from escalating further at this stage.
Jeff, Ari, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you stand here while I make a phone call?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes.
I went ahead and talk to my director. You're fine.
Okay.
If anyone comes across, have them call me. I know what to tell them.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your service.
Yeah, I was
sir.
originally over there, and they told me to come over here.
You're fine.
All right.
Okay? Have a
Thank
good
you,
one.
Ari.
Nassau County Sheriff's Department, Latart on a recorded line.
Hey, this is Director from Amelia Island Plantation. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Have you guys gotten any reports of a homeless gentleman that is blocking the roadway in front of Long Point?
Not as of today, no. We haven't received anything.
Okay. Just talked to one of my officers out there. It's a guy that's holding up a sign saying homeless vet. God bless America, and he's soliciting people driving out of Long Point for money, approaching cars and standing in the roadway. Is there any way we could have somebody go check him out?
Yeah, of course.
We would take care of it, but he's outside of our jurisdiction. He's on the county right away. He's got a wooden box with him and then his sign, and his first name is Jeff. He wouldn't give my officer his last name. Our officer asked him to step out of the roadway and just for his safety and the safety of the cars, and he said, no, I'm standing right here. So,
Okay.
But no video camera as far as we can tell, and no weapons as far as we know.
Okay. All right, we'll get someone out there, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
A supervisor enters the scene, shifting the tone of the encounter. After verifying jurisdiction and reviewing the situation, it becomes clear that the individual is lawfully present and not violating any statutes. Calls are made, reports are checked, and the narrative of wrongdoing begins to collapse. The supervisor acknowledges that the area is public property and confirms no laws are being broken. This moment demonstrates how facts and legal clarity dismantle unfounded enforcement attempts.
What's up?
I'm trying to tell you, you don't have to go somewhere else with that.
Why's that?
You can't solicit, and then you're on private property children.
Yes, sir. You get it moving. I just got here. Get back in your sweet ass cruiser and get out of here. How do you say your name?
And why is that?
Because you've made contact with me and you're a law enforcement officer. Shouldn't you have introduced yourself when you first made contact with me instead of telling me to get out of here?
Tell me why I gotta
Because you got no business here.
leave. Why don't I?
You don't have any legitimate business here.
Why don't I?
Well, maybe you do. You can hang out with me if you want. But I'm not going anywhere. You've already screwed up multiple times. You already said I'm on private property, which I'm not. You've already said I can't be here, which I can. And there's nothing you can do about it. So have a nice day. That's why I'm just saying.
Hey, keep it at that. Keep it at that.
Yeah, just get back in your cruiser and have a nice day.
Okay.
God bless you.
I may say something for you. Hey, do me a favor. Yes, sir. Come on, let's get it moving.
You get it moving. I just got here. Get back in your sweet ass cruiser and get out of here. How do you say your name?
And why is that?
Because you've made contact with me and you're a law enforcement officer. Shouldn't you have introduced yourself when you first made contact with me instead of telling me to get out of here?
So tell me why I gotta leave.
Because you got no business here.
Why don't I?
You don't have any legitimate business here.
Why don't I?
Well, maybe you do. You can hang out with me if you want. But I'm not going anywhere. You've already screwed up multiple times. You already said I'm on private property, which I'm not.
Despite clarification, another officer continues pressing the issue, ordering the individual to leave without lawful justification. The citizen calmly explains the officer's previous mistakes, pointing out repeated false claims of private property and unlawful demands. The exchange exposes how ego and frustration can override legal reasoning. Rather than de-escalating, the officer attempts intimidation, only to be met with confident resistance grounded in constitutional protections. The lack of legal authority leaves the officer with no actionable response.
You already said I can't be here, which I can. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay.
So have a nice day. That's why I'm just saying.
Hey, keep it at that. Keep it at that. Don't escalate
Just
it.
get back in your cruiser and have a nice day.
Okay.
God bless you.
I may say something for you.
The video concludes with a broader reflection on modern policing and the growing gap between authority and legal knowledge. It underscores that while officers are expected to uphold the law, many rely on feelings rather than facts. This reality makes public education essential. The narrator reinforces the importance of recording interactions, understanding constitutional rights, and holding public officials accountable. Awareness, documentation, and calm resistance remain the strongest tools citizens have to protect themselves and ensure transparency.